Hey guys, Leela's Tools here. I just wanted to do a quick overview and unboxing of the 0850-20. This is the Milwaukee M12 cordless compact vacuum cleaner. I noticed here this has already been cut, so let's hope we don't have a piece of lumber in here. It's looking about like brand new. Just pull the stuff out here for you guys. So very first we get a long extension tube. I will measure this for you just because that is useful. We also have the down there. This is about 18 inches long, so you get an 18-inch extension. You get a little floor or water. I don't think this is water rated, but a little floor nozzle. I'm sure you could suck water with it. I don't know how long it'd last though. And a little crevice tool. That'll be nice and nifty. And the tool itself, there it is, and there's something else in the bag, in the box, sorry. That's all we have in here. Our box is empty. Get your good little pamphlet where they tell you all the different stuff you can buy and add to your collection, and a user manual. And again, there's the part number if you were wondering. So there's that guy. This is just a quick how to remove this. Don't need that. Let's take a look at this guy. So this retails for $89.99 Canadian. I picked it up on sale for $79.99, so it's regular $90 on for $80. So what you do here, you can see right here, it says lock, this says unlock. You do pull this back, twist, and there you go. There's your filter. No, I'm not going to pull that out, but it does not look hard to pull out. You can buy these 2-pack of these filter replacements for $20 Canadian. There's your trigger. So this nose cone, we should be able to just, we go here. Okay, other way. So you'll get the hang of it. So if you're holding it like this, put the clear side that way, twist it back, it's locked in, it's not going anywhere. This, does it say anywhere on it? We do have a little hanging hole for screw there, and it does sit flat. We have an XC 4.0, let's just see how it sits with that in it. So the base of the battery and the base of the tool touch, you could sit that down real quick. It's not going anywhere. Well balanced. Let's take a listen. That's blowing a lot of air out the sides. Sorry if that's deafening you guys. Let's see here. Do we have a battery indicator? Yep, we do. We also have a trigger lock. So here we'll pull the trigger. Okay. There's a trigger lock. Let's see how our attachments fit. Nice and snug. I like this thing already. There, and there, nice little floor cleaner. Angle on that isn't the best, at least with that attachment, and I'll say with this guy here, that's nice. Let's just say you want to put the crevice, if you wanted to do your baseboards in your house, I'll just give you a tip to tail measurement or whatnot. So tip with the crevice and the long extension to the end of the tool is just under 40 inches, just over 3 feet. With the battery, you're reached about 42.5 inches. So as compact as this thing is, you can extend it out and be a pretty useful little tool. This is a brushed motor if you didn't know. And this does, let me just triple check, this should have your Milwaukee 5-year warranty. I will put the length of the warranty in the description below. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Take it easy.